GESIPA UK, based in Keighley, West Yorkshire, has grown to become the technical centre of excellence for threaded fasteners for the GESIPA Group. Utilizing skilled knowledge and technology, GESIPA designs and produces comprehensive value-added solutions for its customers.
GESIPA UK is the centre of excellence for threaded fasteners for the GESIPA Group. In Keighley, we manufacture the rivet nuts, studs and the mega grip.
GESIPA UK has the capacity to produce over 300 million threaded fasteners and 60 million mega grip rivets annually. These precise GESIPA components are required in serial production of day-to-day applications like cars, electronics, white goods, construction, and various other industry sectors.
We work with our customers very closely. We see them as partners looking to develop the best solution for their fastening needs. We look at adding value to their products so that they can save money in their processing time and their production as well.
I'm involved in product development from the early stages all the way through to tool design, further development of current products, innovation, the full range.
Technical experts are committed to their work at GESIPA. Turning ideas into profitable solutions is the key to GESIPA's well-accomplished success worldwide. TS 16949 accredited, GESIPA's complete quality management system ensures the highest product quality.
Our team is to develop new products, to work with the customer to help overcome problems with their applications.
With a wide number of primary functions like heading, tapping, and secondary functions involved, ready-to-fit components are manufactured and packed in GESIPA packaging or customer-specific transport containers.
The main markets we supply into are automotive, white goods, various different industries and distribution as well.
GESIPA UK supplies its entire threaded fastener range to its customers worldwide. Many GESIPA fasteners represent only a tiny segment of the value of the end product, but are very critical for the optimal functioning of the application.
I've been working for GESIPA for the last 14 years. I work under the customer service team doing PPAPs. This is our final inspection for our customer requirements.
Conducting optical inspection of each product for specific customer application parameters and having process control technology play an important role in GESIPA's high-quality fastener production.
I've worked for GESIPA for 23 years and it's a very good place to work.